Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Millie and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a provisional cast on. And for this cast on you're going to need your knitting needles, and I am using double point knitting needles. You're going to need a crochet hook, and the crochet hook should match your yarn. So I'm using a worsted weight, and so I have 5.5 millimeters crochet hook. And then you're going to need a pair of scissors. And then you need yarn in two colors. And so these are my two yarns. And this is going to be my main color, and this is my scrap. And so using the scrap yarn, make a chain. And the number of chains should be either match the stitch count that you're going for, or they should be a little bit more. So I'm going to do 25. And that's 25, and I'll put the crochet hook aside because I don't need it anymore. And then I'm going to snip that and put that aside. And I have my chain of 25, which is where I'm going to be picking up my stitches. And so I'll take my main yarn and my needle, and I'll skip these two stitches, these two chains, and I'll start picking up from the third. And you don't have to skip it, it's just this is a personal preference. So that's stitch number 1, and then I usually twist my yarn behind just to secure it a little bit, and I'll keep picking up my stitches from these chains. So 1 chain space equals 1 knit stitch. So I'll keep going until I have the number of stitches that my pattern is asking for. And I have my stitches right there. And from here your pattern will give you instructions on how to proceed, but basically you have these live stitches, and then you have these live stitches back here. So all these are live stitches that you're going to pick up and develop into something depending on what you're working on. And so that's how you do a provisional cast on. Thank you so much for watching, and that is all I have for you today. And until next time, happy knitting!